Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to see more of my videos. Without further ado, let's get started. Hello lovely people, welcome back. I just wanted to share with you guys an experience from a lovely 7-year-old kid. Her name is Noor. I just wanted to shout out the amazing artwork she gave me. Here it is, guys. See? Very lovely artwork of her. She draw YouTube Angel, and then this is my channel name that she made this one for me. I was surprised when she gave it to me, and then I have something for you, and then she gave it to me, and I'm happy that she's supporting my YouTube channel. I didn't expect that support from her, and she gave me this one. This is my first artwork from people who's watching my YouTube channel, and yeah, I was surprised. She's 7 years old. She's watching my makeup videos because she really loves doing makeup videos. You know, in Philippines, when there is a program in the school, we do makeup on the kids, and I have that as well. Whenever there's a program in the school, my mom would put makeup on me, so it's not a problem that, you know, at younger age that you do put makeup as soon as you just think of it in a way that it's a form of art. That's how I learned my artistry skills. And yeah, Noor, thank you very much for giving this very lovely artwork. I appreciate it so much. And for this video, I'm gonna make a French braid dedicated to Noor. This is very simple French braid tutorial, which I'm gonna use a ribbon. So let's do it. And I turn around, so you'll tie it, the elastic with the ribbon. And I tied the ribbon. I'm done with the French braid hair tutorial. It's very simple. If you have girls, you can do it with them as well, and it's very simple, easy to follow. It's just a matter of, you know, tying the hair. And once again, thank you very much, Noor, for this very lovely artwork, and I really love it. Alright, so thank you and see you in my next one. Bye bye. Alright you guys, there you have it. Hope you came far of this video. Please don't forget to like this video if you like it, and if not, let's move on. See you in my next video. Bye bye.